Good afternoon, grade 10 applied stream business students. How are you? Actually, it's good morning, right? Start. Good morning, grade 10 applied stream business students. Al Dade, how are you guys? That was a pretty good lesson this morning overall, and let's have a second lesson today, Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. Okay. Our goal, of course, is to work on our interactiveness in the class, okay? Not just Mr. Mike doing talking. You guys, come on. I can see it in you. You were reading today. You were doing great work. Let's try to improve this even further. So, in today's lesson, the lesson objectives in today's lesson, we're going to look at surveymonkey.com, www.surveymonkey.com. I will be sharing a work document with you. You can click on that link, or you can copy and paste that link. You can open that website, all right? It's basically a system for creating questionnaires. Questionnaires are questions that we assemble, that we ask people to find out their opinion, such as, do people like McDonald's? Do people like KFC? Something like that, okay? So also, I made a survey for you, which you will take. It's 5 questions. That will serve as a good example for you. And I'm asking you to create an account. It's free. You can create an account and you can use this. Remember your ID that you create, okay? Saif Nasser or Salam Saif or Muhammad Ali, okay? Or Salem Sultan, right? You can put your name in, right? Something like that, then you won't forget. And you make a password, whatever your password is that you choose. Try not to forget it. Or you can, of course, reset your password, but try to create something that you'll remember. Now, you can have that account forever, okay? And as you study, maybe you will be asked to make a survey. You will be asked to make research. Some subjects require research. SurveyMonkey is a great way to do basic research, quick research, even detailed research. It can be used for. All right, and it'll be yours. It'll be yours. Okay. We learned this as a professional development. The teachers in the EMI, Ministry of Education, we learned this about 2 years ago. And I was looking at it. Screencast-O-Matic is what I'm using right now. Okay. So therefore, we're going to be using more technology if we can. But I want it to be good technology. I want it to work. And I want you guys to give me the feedback, or give me some feedback and say, yeah, that's pretty good, Mike. Okay. That's what I'd like to hear from you. If you have any things that you think you would hope for that are better into our lessons to make it more interactive, then it's an open forum. You can tell me. Okay. We have access to Teams all the time, right, between us, and the meeting chat, and you have my email. All right. So keep up the good work, and let's start the lesson. All right. Please give me 30 seconds to share the file, and then you can type in www.surveymonkey.com. Thank you, guys.